Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to code Python with VS Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code from its official website. Next, get the latest Python version from python.org and install it on your system. Then, open VS Code, navigate to the Extensions view, and search for the Python extension by Microsoft. Install this essential extension to enable full Python support. Finally, configure your Python interpreter path within VS Code settings for seamless development. Now let's create your very first Python program. In VS Code, make a new file and save it with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Type a simple print statement such as print hello world. To run it, open the integrated terminal by pressing Ctrl plus backtick. Then type python hello.py and press enter. You should see hello world displayed in the terminal. VS Code offers powerful features to boost your Python coding. IntelliSense provides intelligent code completion, parameter info, and quick info as you type, saving you valuable time. The built-in debugger allows you to set breakpoints, step through your code line by line, and inspect variables to find and fix errors efficiently. The integrated terminal is perfect for executing scripts and managing your project environment. You can also find many extensions for linting, formatting, and testing. Adopting best practices will significantly improve your Python projects. Always organize your code into logical functions and modules to enhance readability and maintainability. Employ virtual environments for each project to isolate dependencies, preventing conflicts between different projects. Write concise, clear comments to explain your code's purpose, especially for complex logic. Finally, save your work frequently, and use version control systems like Git to track changes and collaborate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.